Hey guys, here's a quick tutorial on how I created this look. The products that I used for my look that I used today, I will have it linked in the description box down below for you if you're wondering what colors I used. So as you see, I'm just adding a couple stripes to my mixing palette over here. Once you're happy with the colors you've chosen, I take a dotting tool and just squiggle the lines, mixing some of the colors together. Next, use a top coat and add a thin layer to your nail. With a paintbrush, scoop some of that gel polish and just squiggle it onto your nail. Once you're happy with your design, cure it under the LED light for 60 seconds. Here, I decided to use a matte top coat for my nails. Paint every single nail as you would and cure it under the light again for 60 seconds. Once that's all done, on your mixing palette, I put a drop of clear gel polish on my mixing palette here and start drawing some squiggly lines. And this time cure it under the LED light for about 10 to 15 seconds. Grab your chrome powder that you'll be using and a sponge makeup brush and rub the chrome powder on your nail. Once that's all done, take your top coat again on your brush and retrace the design that you have made. Then cure it under the LED light for a minute. Grab a lint-free wipe and rub in alcohol and clean off each nail. Now just top it off with your favorite cuticle oil and you have your final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.